This is the progress on the bathroom. The floor is now down. Things are really coming together. So this is the floor, and this matches the floor where the shampoo will be going. But this is the progress we have. Everything from the ceiling down to the floor is done. The bathroom is really coming together. Everything else is there. We haven't done the floor yet because step by step, one piece at a time. But this is progress. Lots of dust, dirt, but hey, we are coming along. We're waiting for these to come in. We only have one. Sorry, I don't want to blind you. But it's gonna be 3 of them, plus the fan has to go in, and the vanity has to go in, the mirror, the sink, the toilet, and the floor. That's what we're waiting on, but bathroom floor, shower floor is down. So progress. This is progress. This is what the floor is in now. Take a look. We are getting there, closer and closer and closer. Yay! See? This is the floor of the bathroom. It is complete. The floor is complete. Wait for the toilet to come in. As you can see, the lights are on, fan is on, shower head, shower, bathroom is almost complete. Lots of work, but it's coming together. We're still waiting for the toilet and the sink. And over here, light switches, as you can see, almost done. This is progress in the bathroom. This wall is still empty, so we're waiting to paint and everything. But this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom coming along. Progress. Now the toilet is in. Remember? You go back to the beginning, you'll see all the progress. This is all the paint they use. The walls have been painted. We're still waiting for the light for the vanity mirror to come. And they did paint. This is what we have. Shower up there, and another one, handheld one, and the one in the top. This is what the handle looks like. This is coming along so nicely. So nicely. Everything is looking good. It's not complete. Again, they have other things, the finishing touches, but after they put the cabinet, the sink and cabinet. Remember over here you used to have those holes. These are all taken care of. No more holes. They have patched them and take care of them. And it is really coming nice. I love the shower head for them. So we're just waiting for sink. Once the sink comes in and they put it in, they'll finish all the finishing touches. This is the toilet. This is the toilet that we chose. Press to flush. So this is that. So far so good, and just waiting for the finishing piece, the last finished piece, so they can do everything else. This is the bathroom complete. for now. It is all done. All done. We were waiting for a door that took forever. We did get the toilet, everything else, the mirror, we got that. This is it. This is everything. This is everything for now. So it is complete. But this is the next construction taking place. We have stuff everywhere because we're gonna recap it upstairs. So everything is in a shambled mess. That update coming soon.